guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got clothes. Well, I think it's just clothes. I just opened it, not going to peek, it's a surprise. Quite full, so let's get into it. First thing, what was this? This was bedding. Oopsie daisy, the whole set's falling to pieces. Very nice and soft. Let's see. Let me just try one of my Barbies. Sorry guys, it's a naked one again. Just covering her up quick. So it has a hole here where you can put her in. Trying to feel. There's a button here probably so you could roll it up. But here it will stay open once Barbie is in bed. No Velcro or anything. And this is a built-in pillow. It's actually quite nice. No waste of material. You don't even have to measure how big your Barbie's bed is. It's perfect. Perfect. Such a nice soft material. Good quality material as well, I might add. Okay, let me put her on one side. What else do we have? And this would be just a coat. Let's see. Soft and furry. Colors are not as bright as I thought they'd be. I thought it would be these real bright colors, but they're very pastel, very soft. Oh dear, Velcro. It's got elastic in at the back that'll help with the curves. Okay, let me quickly put her into it. I'm going to pause quick. And there we have it. There she is. I gather that it goes this way, not that way. But yes, it's not made very well because there isn't a hem and the fluff keeps falling off. I love that it's soft. It's very feminine. It's very pretty. But like I said, feels like they tried to burn it a bit so that the pieces don't come off, but it's not really working. You're going to have fluff everywhere. So, yeah. Love the idea of it. Very cheap. Very nice. So if you don't mind the fluff and that the tailoring isn't that good, go for it. It will be good. Alright, let's put her here for a second. Let's see what else. Aha, sleepwear. Sorry, the fluff. Good little belt. It has got trimming. Good, the edges are awesome. I'll try that on a bit later. Put that there. So that one's good. As usual, I don't moan about these pieces sticking out. Everybody's got a pair of scissors, just cut them off. Next, more pajamas. Ooh, there are two. Okay, let's see. Very good. Has lace for the lining. Good sewing. We'll trim these off. Got a little built-in belt. Tie it up. But once I put it on, you'll see. But I like this material. Slightly see-through, but it brings me back to the olden days. The sleepwear of the olden days. So comfy and snoozy. Okay, so I have two of those. Let's see what else. Oh, my favorite tracksuit. A woolly tracksuit. Little sleeveless top. Because this doesn't close. This is a tracksuit top. Doesn't close, so the shirt would be there, and it really looks cute. Track pants with a little built-in belt. If you wanted it to not be so loose, you could just put one stitch in there. because I find it tends to move around a little bit too much. But yeah, it has got its trim on, very neat. Cute little belt buckle. Belt buckle. What did I just say? Yes, belt buckle. And the little hat. But doesn't fit so nice when Barbie has a pony. So yeah, when Barbie's hair is nice and loose, this hat works perfectly. Oh, another one. Just see, I can't remember what this is. Also got fur on. Oh, a tiny little white fur jacket. Oh, sweet. That's adorable. And then it comes with, oh, it's a dress. Okay, it's a dress with the belt buckle again. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if my camera will zoom in. Come on, zoom in. Ah, there we go. So cute. Bears. Adorable. Oh, one more thing. Aha. Another tracksuit. This is also one of my favorites because the material is so good. I love this material. So it's almost like a brand name tracksuit with the stripes on, little cuffs at the bottom, little shirt. Only thing about this shirt is they keep slipping down. So what I do is I make little straps for them, and they don't fall down, and they look just as cute. And then the jacket. Oh, jacket. I do have two Barbies with some of these things already on. So here's the one we just saw. Like I said, this does slip down every now and again. So I just put the straps. Thing with this hoodie is it doesn't have a hole at the back. So with my dolls with long hair, I just tuck the hair into the shirt if I want the hoodie to be on. That's the only bad thing about this. But isn't this suit just so cute? This tracksuit. It's adorable. It is so cute. Now I've lost my shoes. Okay, never mind. Oh, here they are. Alright. I've got the shoes. Hold on tight. Shoes that I showed in another video. The sneakers. So these go perfect. Because they have the white stripes, I like to put the white sneakers with this tracksuit. So the white sneakers because it has the white stripes. I could put the pink on, but the shade is a bit different, so I prefer to put the white ones on. But adorbs, very smart. Then the other one, the furry one. See what I mean about if she has a pony? Fits perfectly if she doesn't have a pony. But this is the furry one in any way. Love, love, love. I can put these ones on because the shade is not too off. Shade is almost the same shade of pink. Come on. There we go. Doesn't she just look adorable? Very, very smart. Okay, so there's that one. So, the Barbie of the dress. She can either have sneakers on, heels, whatever she wants, flats. This top looks absolutely tiny when you take it out the bag, but there's just enough to make a small little top. Also has a bit of fluff here and there, but not as bad as the other one. So this is a cute little dress. Nice little prints, adorable. And the sleepwear. This one is a little bit awkward on the shoulders, I must admit. Very awkward. But when she has something else underneath, I'm sure it'll fit properly. Belt. A little bit too long in the arms. Yeah, can't do much about that. And this definitely is not a Ken one. I don't think Ken is into pink. Maybe in the movies, but I honestly, this said Barbie when I bought it, so this is definitely for Barbie. Maybe it's just this one that's a bit awkward. But yeah. Rest of it, not that bad. Not that bad at all. Then my favorite little nightie. This one. Fits perfectly. Better than the other one. I love the little blocks. It's adorable. Puffy as well. Yes. There we go. Awesome. So is it worth buying them? Absolutely. I enjoy buying my Aliexpress Barbie doll clothes. I love it. Have fun with it. So, yes, absolutely worth it. But all of you have a super day and thanks for watching. See you next time.